Ever wonder why customers get frustrated and leave bad reviews? A common reason is that they can't track their orders. Imagine buying something and not knowing when it will arrive. Pretty frustrating, right? Not having visibility on the status of their purchase can make customers uncertain or anxious, which can lead to negative feedback. Hi, I am Nishtha, and today I'll show you how Odoo website order tracking can solve this problem by providing a seamless tracking experience that builds trust and keep customers in loop. Odoo website order tracking enhances your e-commerce platform by providing real-time updates at every stage, from order confirmation to packaging, shipping, and delivery. It's designed to build customer trust with transparency and simplify your order tracking for admins and customers. Here are the key benefits: transparency at every step, simplified order management, stronger customer relationships. So, are you ready to improve your platform? Let's get started. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video.
So as you can see, we are at the backend, and with the help of email and the password, we're going to log in. Once you logged in, navigate towards the home menu and click on website. There we have the option of configuration. Choose order status setting from the drop down. Here you can see the list of the order status which are already created. If you want to create a new order status, so you can just click on new and can create any of the order status you want to create. And if in case you want to edit any of the existing ones, so you can just click off any of the order and can edit the same. The first we have the option of sequence. The sequence will decide at which sequence this order status will reflect. And the next we have company. You have to choose the company for which company you are creating this order status. Next we have next action after. In how many days? You can enter the number of days you want to take this action in how many days. Next we have status type. Here you can check the status type. You can see the option of validation is there. If you want to add any of the validation in any of your order status, you can check this box. We'll explain this feature later on. And we have the option of hidden state as well. If you want to hide any of the order status, you can just check this box and can save the configuration. Now let me show you how this will work on any of the orders. Navigating towards the sales from there, choose orders. Again, click on orders. Choose any of the order you want to. Here you can see the option of activate status tracking. Once you enable this, you can see one more option is added, that is update order status. And here also you can check the order status history. So if you want to update the status of this order particular, so you can click on this update order status and can choose the status of this order. Click on update. The status of this order is updated. If you want to preview, just click on preview. There you can see the status of this order is updated. It is reflecting green as we have choose this status for this order. Moving back. Now let me show you if you want to add a validation, how it will work. Navigating towards the home menu again and click on website. Moving back to configuration, order status settings. For example, I want to add a validation. We'll open it and check this box. Add the invoice validation. I want to add a validation on the invoice and we'll save this. Now again moving back to our sales order. Here I will click on update order status. Choose the packed and processed. Click on update. The pop-up is there and it is saying that you cannot change the order status until invoice of this order is created. Because I have added a validation on the invoice, so we have to create the invoice first to update the status of this order. So we're going to create the invoice. Click on delivery, add the quantity, click on validate. Now moving back to our invoice again, create invoice, create draft. Next you have to click on confirm. The invoice have been created. So we'll navigate towards the invoice again. Now if I want to update the order status, we'll click on again update order status and choose the status, click on update. The status of the order is updated because we have completed the validation part. If you want to preview it, you can click on preview option. You can see the status have been changed to packed and processed. Now, if you want to hide any of the order status, let's check how we can do that. Navigating towards the order status page again. Here, if I want to hide this status of delivery, so we'll click on hide hidden state and we'll save these changes. The changes have been saved. Navigating towards the sales order again. If I will refresh this page, let's check will this option will going to hide or not. The status of delivery has been hidden as we have hide that status from the configuration. So this is how you can also add any validation if you want to add on any of the order status, and if you want to hide the status of any of the order, you can also do that. Now just in case you want to avoid this manual effort and want that all the orders automatically show the order status tracking, you can also do that. For that, navigate towards the home menu and click on website. Choose configuration. There we have the option of websites. Here you can check the websites which are listed there on which you want to add the order status tracking. Here you can see the option of activate status tracking. If you enable this, it will automatically create order status of all the orders on your website. You have to enable this and save the changes. So this is how you can also add order status tracking to your orders.
Set your platform apart with a seamless tracking experience. Want to see this in action? Like, share and reach out for more details. Have any questions? Reach us at support@webkul.com or visit ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. See you all in the next one. Till then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.